is the last day of campaigning in the Tripura polls, and in this first ever direct fight between the left and the right, perhaps what now stands between the continuity and change is the image of the CPM's poster boy, the Chief Minister Manik Sarkar. Ratnadeep Chaudhary reports from Agartala.
69-year-old Manik Sarkar holds an unusual record. He is the poorest Chief Minister in the country. While the BJP got its biggest guns to canvass in Tripura, Mr. Sarkar was the solo poster boy of the left campaign. His clean image may be the key to a left continuity in the state. But even his comrades agree he has a fight on his hands.
Plus, আমাদের চিফ মিনিস্টার জনপ্রিয় চিফ মিনিস্টার উনি তো বারেবার উপজাতির স্বার্থের জন্য অনেক কিছু চেষ্টা করছে 2000 সাল থেকে মানে 97 সাল থেকে এখন পর্যন্ত মানে কি কম একেবারে 100% যে চেষ্টা করতেছি
লড়াইটা একটু অন্যরকম মানে একটু আলাদা তো এই আলাদা তারা যেহেতু করতে আছে তার সাথে আমরা সঙ্গতি রেখে আমরা এই পরিস্থিতি অনুসারে আমরা লড়াই চিন্তা ভাবনা করতে আছি
Mr. Sarkar has been the BJP's sole target in these elections. They've made the most of some chinks in his armor, an alleged job scam, no jobs, alleged corruption in government and blurred lines between party and government.
The Chief Minister, Mr. Manik Sarkar, is no more the Chief Minister who once happened to be in the year 1998, when, though in opposition, we used to feel that he has got an urge to do or serve the people of the state. Now, he has forgot to dream.
He is an honest man, that I can say. And as a Chief Minister, he is presiding over a corrupt government.
While all the top guns of the BJP, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have been campaigning hard for the Tripura elections, here in Agartala, the CPIM cadres believe that while the BJP is nationally in a winning spree, in Tripura, the poorest Chief Minister of the country will deal with the BJP and prove the election to be BJP's Waterloo. In Agartala, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.